If you are reading a book, tell the AI you're reading a book and ask it to question you on it. Ask it to act like a book club with you so you can get a deeper understanding of that particular concept. You can do it with articles as well. You can use it to quiz you. ChatGPT can do this as well, but I prefer NotebookLM for this. I've thrown this into NotebookLM. Notebook is free. It's a Google product. It's wonderful. I can give it sources. I've given a bunch of sources on the left. You can give it websites. You can upload a file. So you could give it a whole book. You can copy text in, connect it to your drive, or get it to search for resources. So I said I want a guide about how to set up OpenClaw, because that's what a lot of people are asking me, and I want to put together more examples, other ways to set up OpenClaw. So you can see on the left, it's found Reddit, GitHub documentation. It's gone to the official OpenClaw website. What I want to draw your attention to, though, is on the right-hand side, the studio. So here we can generate an audio podcast based on my sources. We can create a video explainer, make mind maps, make reports, make flashcards, make quizzes, infographics, etc. For now, I want to show you quizzes. So one really good way to test your understanding of something is to quiz yourself. This is kind of what school is. When you learn some material, then you get quizzed on it, you get tested on it. Because we're very good at thinking we know something until somebody asks us a question about it. That's what we're doing with quizzes. We're simulating the recall of information. So we can do that with AI. So let me find a quiz. So we've got a quiz on how to set up OpenClaw. So which of the following describes the rebranding history of the OpenClaw AI Assistant project? So I know this one. It went from Claudebot to Maltbot to OpenClaw, all within a week. So B, that's right. Got that. This is fun. Oh, so this has got it horribly wrong. It's, okay, this is my fault because there's a source in here which is about, there's a game called Captain Claw. So I have no idea. Oh, I got it right though. Okay, so that slipped in because I didn't check the sources. So just be aware of that. According to tool versus skills distinction in the OpenClaw AI Assistant, what role do skills play? They act as textbooks that teach the assistant how to combine tools for specific tasks. They provide the API keys. I'm going to say B. They are the textbooks. Skills provide the logic and instruction. Okay, so what you're doing here is you are using AI to, again, cognitive load. You are forcing yourself to have to actually learn. So we are using it for good rather than using it for ill. And we're using AI tools that already exist that allow us to do all of this stuff. I can create quizzes. I can create flashcards. Oops, I have created flashcards already. So I can use this as another way to test myself. Really good if you are doing language learning. Which one is flashcards? Oh, I don't think I made flashcards. These icons aren't very good. If you're watching this notebook team, I get very confused. So we're going to use AI for good rather than for ill. But again, that is a conscious choice. Next one is, I'm going to go back to NotebookLM, but we all learn differently. So for me, I'm very visual. I need to see something. Other people need to hear something. Other people are tactile. They need to feel something. Some people need to talk and explain something. Some people need to hear it multiple times. Like, we all learn in different ways. We can use AI to take something that is one format like this. This is a book. This is text. This is visual. I need to sit here and read through this. Sometimes there will be diagrams. That again is visual. There might be an audiobook version of it. What you can do with AI though is you can switch any material that you're learning into any format. So again, we're going to come back to NotebookLM. So we have the flashcards and the quizzes that we just looked at, but we also have the podcast. Let's have a look at this.
I have to admit, when I first saw OpenClaw on the docket for today, my brain went straight to the late 90s. I was ready to talk about Captain Claw.
Okay, it's talking about Captain Claw again, but it has made a 12-minute podcast about OpenClaw.
They seem to be really focused on the user experience here. They use a TUI, a terminal user interface.
Wait, so no hunting for a config.json?
And something they've added, which is really cool, is the ability for me to enter the podcast. So let me try this for you. I'm not sure how well the microphone's picking it up, but I can play the podcast and I can join.
I have to admit, when I first saw OpenClaw...
Oh, hey, welcome. What's up?
Hey guys, this is Kyle. I'm really happy to join your podcast to talk about OpenClaw. Recently, OpenClaw has been throwing up problems for me. I'm not sure if it's because I'm connected to Claude 4.5 and that's maybe causing an issue.
Kyle, welcome to the show. That is a fascinating question.
And it dives right into the core of how OpenClaw works.
Let's unpack this a little.
It sounds like you're running the AI agent itself.
So for me, I find audio learning incredibly slow. Audio is too slow for me. I think I need to see things. I need to read information for me, but we all learn differently. There are different ways to learn and NotebookLM unlocks them all. So if you are visual, but you prefer images, for example, then It can also create infographics, but it has this problem where it never works. We download it and we should be able to see it. There we go. Let me pull this into my browser though so you can see it. So this has created an infographic of how OpenClaw works. Is it good? Yeah, it's not bad. It's like a mind map basically. So tools and skills. So this is, again, it's supplementary. You're going to be using all of these different modalities to reinforce your learning. You're not just going to be reading. You'd be able to create an infographic of a book like this. You'd be able to create a podcast that you can listen to off the topic. Maybe you do one for each chapter if you really want to go into depth. You could do this with textbooks, books, articles, web pages, doesn't really matter. You are able to convert them into many different learning modalities. And let me show you the other ones that we have. They have the video explainer. Here we go. So this creates, let's see if I can full screen it. I don't think that's going to show up for you. This creates...
All right, so today we've got a bit of a tech mystery on our hands. It's all about a name, OpenClaw, that seems to have a split personality. On one side,
I'm going to skip forward.
it's for productivity. Think of it like giving your computer a brain and hands that you can talk to. Bridge. It connects you via chat to a big brain like ChatGPT or Claude.
So it has created a whole video in which... I'm going to stop it talking because it's very annoying, which has different slides basically, and then it talks you through it. So again, another way of learning, all different ways of learning.